Hi, I'm Faith Mussa, and we've embarked on this magnificent, big project, working with very talented people, with Slimzy, Emoji, Isaac, very wonderful guy. So we're working on this big project. It's a project about my life, my music life. When I explained this idea to Slimzy, he was so excited, blown away with it. So we agreed to come up with a video, and this video is going to talk about my life, where I'm coming from, where I am, and my dreams, things that I've achieved over time, and things like that. It's going to be exciting. It's going to be big. We just want to make it natural. We want people to know what has inspired us, what has given us everything that we have done, the material, how we come up with it. You will enjoy it. Stay blessed.
It's a mission of peace, best known for its beauty. People with a smile, Makulila inside. It's a nation of corruption, mass looting and deception. It's like an immigration, but from heaven to hell. And they can't run away. They can't run away. They can't run away, yeah. Malawi ndi kwatu. You can't run away. Don't run away. I grew up thinking one day things will get better. I ended up queuing for sugar, sleeping on a petrol station. I grew up thinking one day things will get better. Ended up queuing for sugar, sleeping on a petrol station. And I can't run away. I can't run away. I can't run away, yeah. Malawi ndi kwatu. I can't run away. Don't run away.